It's kinda hot outside.
Well, what's up, baby? What's up, y'all? So from my previous video, you guys seen Christina from the early beginnings. Now, it's 2020. I haven't done a car check in about, I think 2 years. I think, no, about a year and a half. It's been about a year and a half. So why not update you guys on what's been changed, what I'm planning to do. Let's just talk about Christina, give you guys a beautiful car check. From my last car check, things changed a lot. I don't think I had the wing. Did I? I don't know if I did or not. I probably did, but this is my 1997 Acura Integra. Oh, I don't know what I was doing. Start off with the front end of the car. As you guys see, I have still my 1998 front end. Yes, unicorns do exist. Every Integra seems to have the jab front, which is beautiful, but bro, how can you change from this to the jab front, man? How could you ruin such a beautiful front end to slap on I don't understand, but you know, to each its own. I still think about going jab front from time to time, but nah, this is just too beautiful. So I have 98 to 01 headlights, obviously OEM, baby. These were cleaned up by the homie Bodie Vision. He had also painted the car, but we'll talk more about that in a few. So yeah, these are 98 headlights that I received from a fan, not a fan, he's a friend. The homie Mike up in California gifted me these at IBOC 2019, I believe it was. Yeah, California IBOC. So huge shout out to the homie DC4 Mike. People ask me all the time, yo Zosh, bro, what lip do you have? What lip is that? What is that? This is a Special Project Motorsports P1 lip paired with their splitter, but this is actually a homemade splitter I made for myself because my original splitter broke. And yes, when you ordered this lip, it comes with a splitter, mounting brackets. This whole piece comes together, and the retail price on that is $499 plus shipping. And yes, when you do order your P1 lip, it does come with the wood splitter already painted black and all that stuff. So I just remade my own wood splitter because it's cheap, cost effective, it looks good, and it works. So that's why I have a wood splitter on the car. Now my wheel choice is 15x8 plus 35 TE37s, OG TE37s, not the SLs. These are the OGs, baby. For my brake setup, I have Willwood calipers with a eBay rotor that looks like it's about to crash and burn pretty soon. I probably should have cleaned up my rotor though. Probably should have cleaned the wheels better too. That black stuff is like, that is wheel cleaner, you see. I tried to clean the wheels before I filmed this video. But yeah, these need to be really clean, like clean and ceramic coated. So if anyone in Florida do ceramic coating near the Treasure Coast area, please holla at your boy, you know what I mean? Let's work something. I need to get these wheels ceramic coated. These are my dream wheels. I finally purchased them not too long ago. Got a good deal on them. Tires I have are Ventus RS4s, Hankook. And yeah, these are pretty good so far. I haven't been on a track yet, but you know, from just driving around town when they heat up and everything and you know, bending corners at like 60 miles an hour, they do the damn thing. They do the job. Now we got Tracklife fender cutouts right here for my fender. People ask me all the time, yo Zosh, what fender is that? It's an OEM fender, just cut for the Tracklife fender cutout. These retail for about like 300 bucks. Just hit up Tracklife Composites on Instagram and get you a quote going. As far as side skirts are concerned, these are PCI 4-inch side skirts. I get asked about what side skirts are these all the time. These are 4-inch PCI side skirts. And yeah, that's it for the side profile of the car. Coming to the back, we have a Jay's Racing spoiler. Yes, sir. Shout out to my homie Jamil. He gifted me this for going to California for IBOC. He literally took it off his car and gave it to me, and I can't thank him enough. It made my race car racer dreams come true, and I got me a beautiful Jay's Racing spoiler. Look at that carbon fiber. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. With Aerogenics 275mm wing stands. Yes, sir. This is a 98 to 01 OEM rear bumper with a top one Motors rear diffuser. I heard that they went out of business, so I don't know if you can buy that anymore, but yeah, that was probably gonna happen sooner or later because they're shipping, bro. Top one, I love y'all because I love the design of this diffuser, but man, y'all shipping was straight ass, dog. God damn. And y'all know it's the one and only, the chosen one, baby, Zosh. My muffler is a Blox 3-inch turn down, but we'll talk more about the exhaust once I open the engine bay and give you guys all that stuff. This is another side profile of the car. And let's show you guys the pride and joy of this thing, the engine. Here we have my fully completely stock K24a. That's it, JDM K24a, paired with the RSX Type S transmission. This is the O2 because my speed sensor is in the back. as you guys can probably see. I don't know if you can, but there goes my speed sensor right there. As far as my engine harness is concerned, this is a Wireworx Stage 1 mil-spec harness. I think this is the over the valve cover harness as well, but I have mine ran not over the valve cover, which I think is supposed to run over the valve cover. I don't know, I can't really think right now. I'm hot. You see the Django bullets coming down my face. I'm hot, dang, I'm hot. Right here's my K-Swap CSF radiator with the spal fan and shroud. You can pick up this whole thing from csf.com. Shout out to the homie Ken for making this possible with this radiator setup. Hybrid racing hoses, hybrid racing throttle body, hybrid racing intake, hybrid racing fuel pressure regulator, hybrid racing fuel rail, hybrid racing oil cap. What else I have hybrid racing? Hybrid racing shift cables along with shifter. When we talk about the inside, I'll show you guys more of that. Has 4 engine mounts, DNH powder coated valve cover in this nice blue. Oh, it's so beautiful, man. Shout out to DNH powder coating. Everything that you guys see on my car will be linked down below to all the respectful websites or Instagrams where you can purchase anything or just browse around and see what you like, you know what I mean? This is a Skunk2 Alpha Series header that I picked up from Neo Garage. Shout out to Neo, shout out to Skunk2, because that header is badass, dog. And that's pretty much it. As far as the motor is concerned, it made 235 horsepower, 200 foot-pounds of torque, 93 pump gas, but we'll be going E85 very soon. Just waiting on my kit from JB Tune. Speaking of JB Tune, my whole fuel setup is by JB Tune. Shout out to JB Tune, that is my guy. Ported 70mm RBC Manifold, RSX Type S oil pump on the bottom of the K24 block. 2006 to 06 to 08 TSX Camshafts, and that's it. That's all I got. Pretty much stock K24A, made 235 horsepower, tuned by Hobby Tune. Shout out to Hobby. Brake tuck is by Wireworx. Also headlight harness tuck is also done by Wireworx. So pretty much Wireworx style, baby. As far as my interior is concerned, we have a Sparco Sprint seat right here that I'm gonna be switching out very shortly, paired with some race quip harnesses. Sparco steering wheel, my hybrid racing V3 shifter right here, playboy, yes sir. Thing is icy with the Maxim stainless steel shift knob. Got a quad pod OG pod gauge for my sensors, oil pressure, and air fuel ratio. This is my custom dash that I got from Wireware. Man, this thing is amazing. Yeah, buddy. Woo, yeah, buddy. Beautiful, dog. Beautiful. Carbon fiber password JDM airbag delete tray. Carbon fiber Type R coin bezel, radio block off. My radio is actually in here. For the interior concern, PLM X bar in the back, painted, gutted. You know the vibes. Shout out to Bodie Vision. Here's the dash in action, baby. Woo, woo. Yeah, buddy. As far as suspension is concerned, I am on Type 2 function informed coilovers with hard race lower control arms. For the front, Skunk2 front upper camber kits, and in the rear I have MPC brace bar along with their lower control arms with some eBay rear camber kits that I'm hopefully gonna swap out soon. I can't even show you guys the ice. Oh, there you go. MPC subframe brace bar along with their lower control arms, and I'm pretty sure I can't show you guys up top because I can't reach, but eBay RDT camber kits that I'm gonna be swapping out soon for some PCIs. And this is it, man. That is my Integra. Paint job is Cypress Green Pearl G82P OEM paint color. Paint job was done by the homie Bodie Vision, fellow YouTuber. Link down below to his YouTube channel. Check out what he got going on. He's doing some crazy things, And that is pretty much it for my 2020 updated car check. I got a couple upgrades coming for this car. I'm waiting on my Unit 2 Fab oil pan to come in stock so I can order that. Then I'm going to be swapping out my custom 3-inch exhaust for a Buddy Club exhaust because, man, I miss my Buddy Club. And here in Randy's car, oh my God, bro, the Buddy Club is just perfect. So that's gonna be next for the car. The only thing I have left to do to this car is track it. And this COVID-19 really pushed, the tracking season, further than I anticipated because I was ready to get this thing out on track right away. But once my local track opens up and I can start hitting the road course and stuff, that's it. My goal for this car is to be a street/track car, man. I wanna do grid life. I wanna do the Time Attack series. My overall goal for this car is to track it, dog. It looks like a damn track car, but never seen the track. And I can't have that. I can't have that. My new passion right now is making a name for myself in the Grid Life Time Attack series. Street class, front wheel drive, that's the stock K24, got 235 horsepower, which should be more than enough to compete and do good and at least play something. You know what I mean? That's the goal. That is the goal here. But all in all, that is it for my 2020 updated Crustina car check. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video. And like I said, everything you want to know about what's all done to the car, everything will be down in the description box below. Full build spreadsheet, all of that stuff, everything you want to know. Thank you to everyone who helped me with this car. Thank you to all the sponsors. Hybrid Racing, thank you, I love you guys. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace. Oh, also, if I miss anything in this video, just comment down below and I'll answer it, okay? Cool. All right, I'm out. Peace.